Have you ever noticed something? What you do at night can change how you feel the next day.
Yes, some people sleep late, scroll their phone for hours, and wake up tired.
But others have a calm night routine and wake up fresh and happy.
So today, we are going to talk about night routines in simple English. You can practice listening and speaking with us.
Let's go.
Welcome back to English Boost TV, where you learn real English through real conversation.
Today's topic is night routines and how to talk about them in English.
We will use slow and natural English, easy for beginners.
You can copy our sentences and use them in your daily life.
So listen carefully and repeat if you can.
Evening routine. David, what do you usually do in the evening?
After work, I usually go home around 6 p.m. First, I relax for a bit.
I do the same. I sit on the sofa and rest.
Sometimes I watch YouTube or TV for a short time, then I eat dinner.
Same here. I usually cook simple food like rice, chicken, or pasta.
Easy meals are the best after a long day.
After dinner, I try not to use my phone too much.
That's a good habit.
Bad night habits. But let's be honest, many people have bad habits at night.
Yes, like scrolling on TikTok or Instagram for hours.
Or watching one more video and suddenly it's midnight.
I know that feeling. Sometimes I say just 10 minutes and it becomes 1 hour.
That's why we feel tired in the morning.
Too much screen time can affect sleep.
So maybe we should set a time limit, like no phone after 10 p.m.
That's a smart idea.
Good night routine. What should a healthy night routine look like?
For me, it starts with slowing down. I turn off bright lights and make my room calm.
I like to drink warm tea before bed. It helps me relax.
I sometimes read a book for a short time.
Reading is perfect before sleep. No screens, just calm time.
Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get ready for bed.
I also like to plan the next day quickly with a small to-do list.
That helps the mind feel clear.
Yes, no stress before sleeping.
Sleep talk. What time do you usually go to bed?
I try to sleep around 11 p.m., but sometimes it becomes later.
Same here, but 7 to 8 hours of sleep is best.
Yes, sleep is very important for health and mood.
When I sleep well, I feel energetic the next day.
But when I sleep late, I feel tired and lazy.
So the lesson is simple. Good night routine means a better life.
Useful phrases. Let's give our listeners some useful phrases.
I usually relax in the evening. I go to bed around 11 p.m. I scroll on my phone before sleep. I try to avoid screens at night. I read a book before going to bed.
Try to repeat them and use them in your own English.
Today, we talked about night routines in English.
We learned habits, vocabulary, and real conversation.
Now it's your turn. What is your night routine?
Write it in the comments.
And keep practicing every day. This is English Boost TV. See you in the next lesson.